Hello everyone, welcome to the Brosses Education. Hope you liked the previous video. If you haven't checked it out till yet, you can check it in the description video. So today we are going to start our next chapter, that is playing with numbers. In this video we will cover topics like factors, multiples, even and odd, and one more additional topic, that is perfect numbers. So let's start our first topic, that is factors. Factors are the number that perfectly divide a given number. That means whenever we divide a number by its factor, the remainder comes out to be 0. Let us take an example. Let 27 be divided by 3. As we all know, 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9 plus remainder is 0. Since the remainder here becomes 0, so we say that 3 perfectly divides 27. So 3 is a factor of 27. Similarly, 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3 plus 0. That is the remainder. So here also we can see that 9 completely divides 27. So 9 is also a factor of 27. Similarly, 27 is equal to 1 into 27. That is 3 is equal to 9. 3 into 9, that is 9 into 3, and that is 27 into 1. So we say that 27 has factors 1, 3, 9 and 27 itself. Also remember that every factor is always less than the number whose factors are to be found out. 1 is factor of every number, and the number itself is also a factor of itself. So let's take another example. Let us take the number 8. Now let us start from 1. 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8 plus remainder 0. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 plus remainder 0. Let us try 8 divided by 3. Now 8, 3, 2, 6, 2. As we cannot solve it further because 2 is less than 3, so we will write it as 2 plus some remainder. Since the remainder here is not equal to 0, so we say that 3 is not a factor of 8. Let us take 4. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2 plus remainder is 0. Similarly, 8 divided by 8 is also 1 plus remainder 0. So we say that the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8 itself. So let us start the next topic, that is multiple. As the definition says, multiples are the number obtained by multiplying a given number with another number. That means multiples are the result that we get after multiplying a given number with some other number. Let us take an example. 18 into 2 is equal to 36. Here 18 is the given number. 2 is the other number, and 36 is the result. That means a multiple. Similarly, 18 into 3 is equal to 54. Here 54 is again a multiple of 18. So whenever we multiply the given number with some other number, we get a multiple. Let's take an example also. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. That is a multiple. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. That is also a multiple. 9 into 9, that is 81. That is also a multiple. So we say that 9, 18, 27, up to any number that is divisible by 9 is a multiple of 9 itself. So let's start our next topic, that is even and odd numbers. As you can see that Even numbers are the number that is divisible by 2. Divisible means that the remainder we get when the number is divided by 2 is 0. And odd numbers are not divisible by 2. As we have studied earlier, we can say that even numbers are multiples of 2 and odd numbers are not multiples of 2. There is one more point that is to be noted down, that is the sum of even numbers is always an even number and the sum of odd number is always again an even number. For example of even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 plus 4 is 6, that is again an even. 4 plus 6 is 10, that is again an even. And the example of odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. As you can see that 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, that is even number. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, that is again an even number. So let us check for a big number. Let us take an example of 80. Let us first try to divide 80 with 2. 4, 8, 0, carry over 0, 0, 0 and 0. Since you can see that when 80 is divided by 2, the remainder comes out to be 0. So 80 is an even number. Let us take an example. 80 is even. Of 87. 87 divided by 2. 4, 8, 0, 7, 3, 6, 1. Since the remainder comes out to be 1, so we say that 87 is not divisible by 2. So 87 is odd number. So now let us start the additional topic, that is perfect numbers. As the definition says, they are the numbers whose sum of factors is twice the number itself. Let us take an example to understand the perfect numbers. Let us take the example of 4, 6, 8 and 28. As you can see, the factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 28 is 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Let us know the sum of these factors. Here the sum becomes 7. Sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. That is 3, 3, 9, 9, 12. Here sum is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. That will be 15. Here sum is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28. Here that will be equal to 56. As you can see that here 12 is equal to 6 into 2. That is twice of 6. Here 56 is equal to 28 into 2. That is twice of 28. So we can say that 6 and 28 are perfect numbers while 4 and 8 are not. If you have any doubt in any topic taught in the video, you can comment it. If you like the video, subscribe it, share it and like it to support us. Thank you.